India's massive diplomatic exercise begins from today with multi-party delegations fanning across the country. One of the MPs leading one of those important delegations is Kanimozhi of the DMK. Ma'am, you're going to Russia, one of the time-tested allies of India. How do you feel about this diplomatic exercise and your own, what is your expectations from this?
We are being sent at a very important moment, and India needs to explain itself to the world, because Pakistan is trying to set a very different narrative, far from the truth, and I think it is important that we set the record straight and explain what has really happened. And we have been subjected to cross-border terrorism, and it's not the first time. We've lost, of course, 26 lives. It's not a small thing. And even before that, we know that many incidents like this have happened, and we've suffered so much because of that. So it is time that we explain to the world that this cannot continue. We cannot tolerate terrorism. We cannot accept it in silence. We have to resolve this.
Kani ma'am, you're going to very important countries. Greece is particularly important because of what's going on with Turkey. Russia, obviously, because it's our oldest ally. How are you preparing for a visit like this?
Of course, we've been briefed, and I'm also, all of us are definitely, we've been keeping tab of what has been happening, and I understand that it is a very important responsibility, and representing my country, especially at a point like this, is a very important responsibility, and I will carry it forward, and I will do it to the best of my ability.
Yes, ma'am. My last question, some political parties in the opposition did feel that there could have been more trust and confidence building. The parties could have been approached instead of leaders themselves. You've been a vocal critique of the government, but you're also part of this diplomatic exercise, making it clear that national interest is important. How do you see the opposition's demands in this regard?
No, I do not know what happened with every party. I think our party leader was approached, and who has to be sent or not, or whatever, these are minor things. I think the most important thing is that all the parties are being represented, and there's no party which said that they will not send anybody from their party, because we today stand as one against terrorism, and India speaks in one language. India speaks together. Right. So that is the most important thing.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for speaking to NDTV. Kanimozhi of the DMK, making it clear that the political class of India speaking in one voice, saying no to terror, and also ensuring that the world remains united on this. With camera person Pooja Arya, this is Vasudha Venugopal for NDTV.